how to buy Clerm AI token. So this token came under the symbol of Clerm. Now, before you start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do on this search. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free monthly rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 1 hour ago and increased by 5,000% in the last 24 hours. This token, the market cap of it, it's $600,000. So this token came created under the base network. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address. I'm not on the Bitget wallet for that. Now go to your wallet to be able to add this token to your wallet. Now, from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the base network. After that, click on this plus little icon and you can paste token as in the search bar. As you can see, this also going to click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. So after that, go back to your wallet to be able to find your token. Click on this little search icon and you can type the token name. It's called Clerm. After that, click on it and now click here also. Make sure to select the token that you want to buy from the top. As you can see, you can select the USDT. After that, you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive that token. As you can see, after that, click here on stop, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Clerm token. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.